Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I did pre-record this as I'm still in my car, as you would have noticed, but I've got 3 of the cash bolts, so let's just dive right in. Apple and grapes. Apple and grapes, no. Stack and sunglasses. These are still my favourite card, even though I don't win much on them. Seven. Bulb. A gem and a cloud. A gem. I have to say, scratching it this way is rather difficult and uncomfortable. Cross fingers and a cloud. No, clover, sorry, I've just done a cloud. Cross fingers and a clover. Money bag and a gold bar. Money bag. Gold bar. Lemon and a VIP. Oh, so we have got a win, guys. Lemon. A moon and a moustache. Moon. Oh, there's a money bag there as well. Didn't even notice that. A moustache. Am I? Oh, it's here. And the last 2 are a pound and a bolt. A pound and a bolt. So we have just got the 1 win on this one, and it's probably for £3, but oh, it's a £5. That's good. Good to get the ball rolling. £5 on the first one. I've got to check the time because meant to be somewhere soon. Right, stack and a bolt. Stack, bolt, crown, VIP, crown, VIP, crown. Keep forgetting about the doubles. Cloud and a glitter ball. And only clouds or glitter ball. A safe and a star. Safe and a star. Grapes and a cactus. Apple and a 7. I've just realised there was 2 7s. So go back to my other one quickly. I just realised there was 7s and I had a 7 on there. So I had 2 wins on that one. So there was a tenner. I'm going to have to check this one again after and check that there was no more wins on that one. But that's bonus, a tenner on that one. I didn't realise there was 2 7s. You can just win a tenner, can't you? Yeah, so it's probably just them wins. Heart. A rainbow. Heart and a rainbow. Lemon and a gem. Lemon. Gem. And the last 2 are a bulb and sunglasses. So there is no win on that one. So let's do the last one. We've got a money bag and a pound. So a pound, money bag, Did I have too many bags on that one? Oh yeah, I did do them. Clover and a VIP. Clover and a VIP. Moustache and an apple. Grapes and cross fingers. Lemon and a gem. We've got a bulb and a glitter ball. Bulb, glitter ball, heart and a chest. Cactus and a stack. Cactus, stack, and the last two are a bolt and a safe. So no win on that one either, but we did get the two. Well, I got the two. Apple. Okay, no more apples. Great. Yeah, I'll double check this, but it looks like there's just the £10 win on that one, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.